In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create templates in Mixpanel. By the end, you'll know how to spin up a new board, start from a proven template, and tailor it to your team's needs so you can get insights fast. First, head to your Mixpanel workspace and make sure you're in the correct project. It helps to confirm you have the right permissions and that your tracking data is flowing, because templates will pull from your existing events and properties. Once you're on the home screen, look for the Create New button, typically near the top of the interface, and click it. From the options that appear, choose Board. Boards are Mixpanel's way of organizing related reports and visualizations in one place, making them perfect for reusable templates. Give your new board a clear, descriptive title. Think about who will use it and what decisions it supports. A good name makes it easy to search, share, and maintain. If your team uses naming conventions, stick to those here so the board stays discoverable. When the blank board opens, you'll see the area where you can add content. Instead of building every chart from scratch, we'll leverage a template. Open the Add to Board options and locate the choice to use a template. This is the quickest path to a reliable, standardized setup. Browse the available templates and pick the one that best matches your goal, whether that's product adoption, retention, funnels, or engagement. Take a moment to preview what's included. Check that the template expects events and properties your project actually tracks, like signups, purchases, or specific feature usage. If something doesn't align perfectly, that's fine. You can adjust once it's loaded. When you're confident, click. Start with template to populate your board. Your board will now fill with a set of pre-built charts, filters, and segments. This is your starting point. Make your edits here. Adjust date ranges to match your reporting cadence, update breakdowns to the segments you care about, and swap events or properties so each chart reflects your taxonomy. Rename cards to match your team's terminology and add brief descriptions so anyone opening the board understands the intent behind each visualization. If a chart isn't relevant, remove it. If something is missing, duplicate a chart and tweak it rather than starting from scratch. Changes typically save automatically, so you can iterate without worry. That's it. You've created a new board, applied a template, and customized it for your data. Use this approach anytime you want consistent, repeatable analysis that your whole team can trust.